in this video, summing up my whole preparation journey from being directionless to resources, free mocks, coaching, motivation, scorecard, profile, college, everything. So let's dive into it. I'm dividing this video into three parts: when and how I started, coaching, resources and preparation, and finally D-Day, CAT exam and my final decision for selecting IIM. So I was in my third year of college in 2022 and I was doing BSc Mathematics Honors from University of Delhi. We can give our first CAT attempt in our third year of college itself. So I had roughly around 4 months left for the CAT exam. So last year only in 2022, I decided to start my preparation and give my CAT's first attempt in my third year itself. From where did I take the coaching? So just like everyone, I was also confused that whether should I go for coaching, whether I should go for self-study, because there are already readily available material out there on YouTube as well. But the reason that I went for coaching was that due to the time constraint, that is only 4 months, and I had completely no idea about the syllabus, about what's going to come, how to prepare and everything. Everything was new to me. So I decided that I want to take this in a structured way, because obviously when you join coaching, then everything is scheduled and you have to work according to their plan, so you're in a better place already. So the coaching institute that I joined was the Time Institute in Delhi, and I took the 3 months crash course that they have for August, September and October. So I had the November month full readily available for myself, for self-study. And there was one more thing. Just one day after my CAT exam, I had my 5th semester final exams happening, starting with the most dangerous subject, Riemann integration. And okay, so coming back to the point. So firstly, I went for times coaching, and secondly, that I went for weekend coaching. That is, from Monday to Friday, I had my regular college. On Saturday, Sunday, I went for the time coaching on the institute, took live classes, and actually it really helped me a lot. Okay, third thing comes for mocks, which is genuinely very, very important. And I would just request one thing is, don't wait for your syllabus to get completed. Don't think like once you will cover all the topics, then only you'll start. See, because to be very honest, LRDI is something which is reasoning based, okay? It does not need a syllabus. It's just the question is in front of you. You have to practice them and you have to solve them. Obviously, there are a few topics like cubes and everything which needs like more of a structured studying, but most of the topics in VARC also, you can get hold of those topics only by practicing, obviously. So there are a lot of questions in quant as well, which if you would try to solve, you would be able to solve. So don't wait for your syllabus to complete and start your mocks. I took the AIMCAT series from the Time Institute. I used to give weekly mocks at start because they had them scheduled that way. Generally, it was sometimes very hectic managing both your college and your preparation together, but at the end, it was worth it. Okay, yeah. What resources I used. The first was the dedicated coaching material that we got for each and every subject. I followed books from Arun Sharma. So basically, it's like the Bible of CAT exam. Next is for the BRC section, increasing the reading speed, habit, and understanding. I started following newspapers. Now, giving mocks and analyzing them was a part of my weekly schedule. Actually preparing for 3 months, which counted for 12 weeks. In those 12 weeks, I was at max able to give 24 mocks. Okay, 2 mocks per week. But at the start, I was giving them weekly. In October, I started giving 2 mocks per week and analyzing them on the same day itself. And yeah, that was actually very big part of my preparation journey. Now, one thing that I got from mocks were, I got a structured way that where am I actually lacking? What are the questions that I don't have to touch in the exam? I also got to know that how I have to take the exam. When I was giving my last month mocks, that is November month, I followed the same pattern in each and every mock, and that actually made me feel comfortable when I was starting the exam. So when I was actually on my D-Day, I was there sitting in front of it and giving the mock. I followed the same pattern which I followed the whole November month, and it really helped me out. Because it was not feeling something new to me, okay, or something that made me nervous, because I had a plan in my mind that okay, this is my strong area, this is my weak area, and I need to start from this. I don't need to touch. If you have searched enough, in order to get 99 percentile, you just have to attempt 50% of your paper correctly. So it is very, very important to know that which questions you have to leave. Okay, but you need to have that understanding of your preparation. And for you guys, I've researched out some full length mocks, sectional mocks, and I'll be linking them in the description box below so you can go and check them out and prepare for your CAT exam. While giving mocks, I realized that I was not doing too well in VARC section specifically. So I started giving it sectional tests. So there are sectional tests also available for particular sections. And see, in few of the mocks, I had really good score, and in few of them, I had really bad score, and it's totally fine. Okay, it also depends on the exam. It also depends on your preparation at that point of time, your confidence and your mental state at that point of time. With how much confidence you're going there matters a lot. Okay, see, there are few things which are not in your control. Firstly, your slot, the questions that are going to come, the difficulty level, nothing is in your control. And the one thing that is in your hand is your preparation and the confidence you carry there. Moving on to the D-Day, the one thing that I feel is very important is how much weightage or position you give to this exam in your mind. Generally, I have seen this thing happening with people, with my own friends, with my coaching friends. I've talked to them, and what happens is, if you think of this exam like just a normal entrance test and you have given a lot of mocks in the last 3 months, you're confident enough and you know that the same pattern is going to come. You have seen the exact interface before as well, and you just think it like a normal exam. Trust me, your paper is going to go so well from someone who's thinking it of like, the CAT exam, actual real hard test. No doubt, like I have respect for this examination, but actually you need to take it easy. You need to take it like a normal test, like a normal mock that you have given every day. Whatever preparation level that you have, just believe in yourself that you have done your best, okay? And there you're going to perform your best. That's the best thing that you can do to yourself. Just prepare well and all the best for your exam. Bye bye.